if I start quoting African traditional religion Nkomi, you will say is I'm quoting Nkomi. I want to quote your Bible. The same story they wrote against us is the same story I want to use to teach you something that you don't know. So pay attention as we read Genesis 12 from 10 to 20. Pay attention. Read louder.
Genesis chapter 12 verse 10 to 20. Now there was a famine in the land, and Abram went down to Egypt to live there for a while because of the famine was severe. Verse 11. As he was about to enter Egypt, he said to his wife, "You are a beautiful woman, every eyes will behold." Verse 12. When the Egyptians see you, they will say, "This is his wife." Then they will kill me, but they will let you live. Verse 13. Say you are my sister, and my life will be spared because of you. Verse 14. When Abram came to Egypt, the Egyptians saw that Sarah was a beautiful woman. Verse 15. And the fellow officials saw her and praised her. They brought her to Pharaoh's palace. Verse 16. He was treated for Abraham's sake. Abraham acquired lots of cattle and donkeys, both male and female, and servants was included. Verse 17. But the Lord inflicted serious illness on Pharaoh and his household because of Abraham's wife. Verse 18. So Pharaoh summoned Abram. "What have you done to me? Why didn't you tell me that Sarah is your wife? Why did you lie to me that she is your sister, and I have taken her as my wife? Now, here is your wife. Take her and go." Verse 20. Then Pharaoh gave orders about Abram to his men, and they sent him on his way with his wife and everything he had.
It's not bigger than yours. We just read from their Bible, yes, which you believe in. Genesis chapter 12, from 10 to 20. How deceitful this man you called, he said, your father in faith. Because they wrote all the whole book to favor them. Without knowing, when you keep lying against Africa that housed them, don't forget, Africa housed these European people, these Jewish people, for 430 years. That is long, how long we fed them. We provide their needs. 430 years is how many years these people served us in Africa. Because every one of them is looking towards Africa for a living. After we trained them for 440 years, 30 years, what did they pay us with? What did they pay us with? Hatred. Yes, hatred. And that hatred is still today. They can never love us genuinely. So I'm calling you to reject everything. Everything they call spirituality they brought to you is just to keep enslaving you. Believe in me. Look at their father of faith called Abraham. He is coming to Africa for greener pasture. But he has this cunning and untruthfulness. He came here with lies. And because of that lies, is the same lies they are telling you today against your forefathers. And you keep listening those lies. He came here with intention to deceive.